Welcome to the screencast introducing you to the blogging software you'll be using this year. The application we're going to be using is called Blogger and is part of the Google Apps package, which you should be familiar with because you've been using Google for your email account. So if we go to an internet browser page and we go to Google and then Gmail and we enter our account details and our password, this should then take us through to our inbox, where we should find that we've had an email from Mike inviting us to the CMP blog. If we open up this email, we'll then have a link displayed. When you click on the link, it will take you through a couple of steps which involve confirming your profile and your password, and then you'll be taken through to the blog main page. Normally, after this first attempt, if you access your Gmail account, you want to go to this More list here and choose Blogger, and this will take you to that same page. So we'll see here that we've got Creative Media Practice as one of our blogs. So if we click on that, it will take us through to that blog and we can see what other posts are available and what other work is being published up there. So for you to start contributing and publishing your own posts, we click on New Post. At this point, you'll have a blank page. You need to give your post a title, so that's probably going to be in reference to whichever project you're working on, so we'll just call ours Project 1. And then to start typing into our post, we just click on the page and type as normal. At some point during your post, you'll probably start making references to clips or films that you've watched or you've looked at and you've taken inspiration from. That's what our next step is, and we want to be able to actually embed that film as well. So if we have some text that kind of leads us up to that point, so I need to start researching different styles of film and came across this example. So at this point we've made reference to a particular film clip and we want to kind of then show that to the people reading our post. Rather than just inserting a link that takes them through to another page, what we're going to do is we're actually going to embed that video straight onto the post so it's there ready to play. So the best way we recommend you do this is to then type in some random word, so we're just going to use QWERTY, and do a couple of returns just to create that space where you would then continue your text later. At this point, we're going to switch to the HTML view so we can see the coding that's going on behind our page, and we see that we've got QWERTY appear here. So we highlight QWERTY. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go open up a new tab, and for this example we're going to go to YouTube into the Broadcast Lab page, and we're going to grab a clip from there. So we just take this first one in the list. So the information we're after to create that link is under this Share tab. So if we click on here, you'll notice that we get a link already highlighted here, but this isn't actually the link information that we need. We want to go into Embed, and this is the information that we're after. So once this is highlighted, if you click Command and C on the keyboard, this will give us a copy command, and then we go back to our blog. We've got QWERTY highlighted, so that's the space we're going to fill, and we do Command and V to paste. So now we have that link information from our YouTube clip in our post, and if we go back to the Compose view, we should now see our clip appear and it's ready to play straight from our post. If we do want to direct somebody to a specific website, or we do want to link them through to a different page, we can also do that. So it might be that I then looked at the lab website for information about equipment. And again, if we go to another page and we open up the lab website, what we're after is the address information at the top this time. So we highlight that, and again, if you do Command and C, that will copy that address, and if we do Command V to paste it into our post. We highlight this, and then we have a selection of tools across the toolbar at the top. Then if we click on Link, this will then create a hyperlink which will take our viewer straight to that web page. So we can then continue building our post, typing in all our text, add in films, links and information as we go along. Once we've completed our post, we need to then make sure we publish it so that other viewers can see it. So once we're done, we need to click on Publish, which will then show our post in with all the other posts here on our blog, which means it's ready to be seen by everybody else and commented on. So if you've got any other problems either setting up your blog account, or you've got any questions about creating your posts or embedding videos or trying to get any of the links working, then please make sure you contact one of the technical demonstrators who are normally found at the Gatehouse.